Welcome back to the space once again. My name is Mercy Elena. I'm so glad you're watching my videos. In today's video, I have yet another DIY for you. That is rice water. I'm going to take you through a very simplest way to make your rice water and how you can use it to condition your hair and grow healthy, strong hair strands. To make this rice water, you just need any type of rice. And then we are starting with cleaning our rice. We sort out any dirt and also wash the rice as you can see here. Add some water into the rice, just enough, and cover the mason jar. Give it a very nice shake, as you can see what I'm going to do right here. Rice water has the following benefits to your hair. It helps to increase the volume of your hair. Rice water also helps to add shine and improve on the appearance of your hair. It also helps to treat scalp conditions and also prevent inflammation on your scalp. Rice water helps to strengthen the hair follicles. Now that we are done preparing our rice water, let me show you how you can use this rice water as a hair conditioner. how my hair looks shiny and bouncy after applying this DIY leave-in conditioner. My hair feels very moisturized and it's back to life again. Have you made and tried to use this leave-in conditioner on your hair? Leave me a comment down below. So guys, this is my hair after I have refreshed it. I have put some oil and I've also rehydrated my hair with some water, and my hair is looking good. It's looking softer. It is looking moisturized now. This is how I maintain my hair every day. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, and also give me a thumbs up. A like for this video does it very well. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell and to give me a sweet comment down below. Thank you.